Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a cell phone. This is a cell phone Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and in this video we're gonna I'm gonna go over how you can open it up and how you can replace the display on yours. If yours is broken or it's just not working or the touch or anything like that, I'm gonna show you in this video how to replace it. In this case, we have a broken screen and they dropped it, and there's an internal crack in it. You don't see it on the top, but it's internal. And once we connected, we're gonna see a line showing up in here. There should be colorful lines right there. I don't know, you guys can see it's going on. It's all black, and I can see the dent right in here inside. So pretty much what you're gonna do, try to replace this one. All right. Just remember, by replacing the screen, you're not gonna lose any files or anything like that. Everything's gonna be left the way that you had it before. So don't worry about backing up your files or losing files and stuff like that. I'll leave the link for the tools I'll use and replacement part in case you need to purchase yours. All right. So here I got the replacement screen. So double check when you get it. They give you a screen and they give you a gift as a protective template glass. All right. And so here we got the new LCD. We can see the cable goes from this side up right here. So that's a nice reference. Right. And now let's go over the tools I'll be using. The tool number one I really recommend you guys is a good screwdriver set. I'll recommend the iFixit screwdriver set as they have one of the best bits out there. All right. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tool or tweezers. If not, just get a basic tool set just like mine I purchased. And for the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are suitable to opening cases and covers. Curved or straight tweezers, plastic spatula are good to have. Very important one is an isopropylic or isopropylic 98, 99% alcohol. Don't use 70%, otherwise you're going to damage the cell phone. All right, and one or two sheet of the workshop towel so you can work on it and clean up. They're really cheap. You can have one, and you can use it for many stuff. All right, with these two on hand, we do need a screen glue. I recommend the B7000. You can get the small ones here, or if you want to dedicate doing this job, you can get a bigger glue. But if you want one-time use, get the short one. Usually they get shipped with a box. It will give you. All right, a cutter or a metallic spatula. That'll be nice to have. A metallic spatula to scrub the little adhesive, or just have a little cutter to just clean it. Right. With all this said, let's get into it. First thing first, we need to remove the back cover. Most people always say, okay, why don't you use a heat gun, hair dryer to heat it up to blend the adhesive? You can, but you can damage the camera, the sensor, touch sensor, decoloration on the deformation on the back plate. So I don't recommend that. The only one I really recommend is an isopropylic alcohol. This one will not damage electronics and is suitable to blend the adhesive. So you want to spray this on the back cover and let it just drip on the corners. You want to grab your opening tool, in this case, the metallic guitar pick, and you want to stick it between the bottom cover and then right in it. Just move it around a little bit. You see? And it should go right underneath. So try to find that. Don't force it too much. Go around, maybe wherever it just gets easier to push in. So I'll go on the other side. There we go. Now I got one in there. So I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to slowly, gently leave it there. Put a little alcohol. Let the alcohol go underneath. And the alcohol is going to do the job. And we are going to just move it around a little bit. And the adhesive will get sorted out. There we go. Once I got right through here, now I'm going to spray a little more alcohol. And the alcohol is going to do the job. It's going to help you to blend that adhesive. So I'm just going to slowly spray as much as you want. The alcohol is not conductive. And you see, it's now it's separating the adhesive. You want to work all around, spray it in an angle so it goes right through here. I think somebody before opened it up and they put different type of glue in there. Don't use a super glue, stuff like that. I believe this one was open before. It should have been much easier. So I'm just gonna, yeah, because it just clicks in. So it shouldn't click in because it's an adhesive. If it clicks in because they use a different sort of glue. So that's why I always say use a proper glue. So in case you want to in the future open it up, it makes life easier. Be careful with a flex cable in here for a touch ID. There's the adhesive right there. And now we can pull this adhesive out. You can crash them. You don't need that. Clean it out. Now we see that the cable goes under the battery right through here. So we need to remove the battery here. But before we do that, I'd like to disconnect this one and disconnect the battery. So we're gonna grab a Phillips double zero or double, let me see which one. Phillips double zero. And we're gonna puncture through this white plastic cover. There's a screw right in there for the warranty. Remove that. I'm gonna remove all the screws that you see on the top portion here. All right, once you remove, oh, I forgot one right here. Double check, make sure you never miss a screw. You don't want to miss a screw. If the screw is not coming out, don't worry. Once you lift up the cover, it will come out with the cover. Lift up the cover, and now we can remove that screw. Put the cover face like the way so the dust doesn't get between the glass. Now you can use your metallic spatula to lift up this jack like this, upward, or use your fingernails, put it right under the jack and lift up the connector. This one is for the battery, so lift it up like that. Now to remove the battery, it says right clearly, grab this middle flap like this, and you want to pull it. So I'm putting my fingers right in here, and I'm gonna pull this upward. And it's supposedly, let me see, lift up this side. This one is really dried up, so it's breaking out. The battery is really tough. So once I pull it up, I'm gonna put a little alcohol at the back of the battery. So it's gonna help up to lift up this connector. So alcohol is your best friend in here. And then you wanna lift it up like this so you can expose that flex cable. All right. These batteries do bend because they're lithium, so you can bend it straight back the other way, gently, just like a clay dough. Play dough, right? Put that to one side, and right here we can see same connector. It's right in here. Right. We're gonna disconnect this LCD connector right here, and we are gonna lift it up like this, bring it here. Now we do need to remove the screen. Same thing that we did on the back cover. We're gonna do it in here. We're gonna find a way to stick the opening tube between here. So I'm gonna start usually bottom corners. So put an alcohol. There we go. It goes right underneath. And once I have a little bit under, I'm gonna put an alcohol, work myself real softly all the way up, and to the back, to the other side, and there we go. Look how easy it came off. All right. Now you can grab a little spatula and clean the corners, make sure those dead skins, whatever garbage that can be in there, you want to clean it up nicely. All right, once we cleaned it up, you're gonna grab the new screen first before we glue it in. We're gonna put it on, and we have to make sure that the screen is working, the one that you purchased. Otherwise, you want to return it, get a new one. So put it over, push down the connector in there. You want to align it. It has to snap in. Once it snaps in, grab the battery, put the connector for the battery right in there. Now we're going to connect the charger, and we're going to see that if it's showing up anything on the screen. I'm not going to power it on. I'm just going to connect the charger, and I should see a logo for the charge logo. There we go. And it should start charging and doing whatever. That means the screen is working. So I can wait a few more seconds until I get a full percentage, or maybe an animation or something. It says 2% and the circle thing is working. All right, now we can continue with working on a thing. So you're gonna disconnect the battery, put it to one side, disconnect this thing right here, bring it down, put, let's clean the workplace because we're gonna work in here. So what we need the glue. We're gonna grab the glue, break it out. Sometimes they do ship you and it's really dried out. So probably this one is dried. I think it's dried out. Let me puncture with a needle. Oh yeah, it is very, very dry. So this one is garbage. That's why these people send you. That's why I have my other one. I don't know. So we're gonna use this one, and we are gonna put one line all around. Don't go over the speaker. Just go everywhere except on the corner, except over the speakers. Just go all around, tiny line. You wanna place a tiny line all around. Once I put all around, I'll put always a little bit of blob right in the corner here, and a little blob right over here, a little on the side, on the casing right over here. So because of the heat exposure to the sun and stuff like that, I seen so many one, even the manufacturer one, the screen just comes out, falls off because of the adhesion. Super is not enough on the corners. Now that we got those, all we need to do is grab the screen, put it right through here, bring it over, align it, and put it down. Make sure it goes right in there. The excess of the plastic, the glue, it will just come off once it's dried out. So don't go ahead and clean it up right now. Leave it like that until it's completely dried out. First, put the connector down, push down the connector inside the jack. And then you want to bring it from here with your finger just like this and make a 90-degree right over here. All right. Next, you want to grab the battery. You don't need that plastic anymore. Just put this one on top. There's enough adhesive to hold it in place and it's not going anywhere. Connect. Grab this other side. Before we put that on, uh, let's go ahead and put a what the heck. I was gonna say let's put a glue, but it goes like this. You don't want to twist it extra. And put down the touch ID connector. And now flip it. Put the cover right on top. And we're gonna put all the screws that we remove on the cover. All right, before we glue the back cover on, we're gonna double check and make sure the screen is working. So bring the connect charger, connect it. And once I see the logo, I'm just gonna disconnect it. There we go. So go ahead and double check that always. Now we're gonna put a little glue all around except over the push out camera. Just skip this part. Just go all around. And push the corners down. Now you have two choices. You can grab a rubber band and you put a rubber band all over so you can hold it together, or just put a cover on top, a bookshelf, a book right on top, a heavy book or something to keep it in place in a flat surface, or you can use clamps. We use clamps in here because it's easier and we can reuse them. Let me get my clamps here. These are really cheap, roughly to get it, but if you want to dedicate to repairing cell phones and stuff like that, then sure, get these ones. Otherwise, it's unnecessary. You want to clamp them down or put a rubber band right over. And you don't want to tighten up too much, just gently. So you hold it in place. And this is how you can replace your screen for your cell phone, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 model. Is it 2019? I guess it's a 2019 model. I hope if you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up these clamps, and that should be all.